fresh water, and just rinse it. And then we'll turn it back on. And go clean. Oh no, that's it. We're just doing it. This is just rinse water. We're just rinsing the, make sure the salmon packs are right. It doesn't have to be the full 5 minutes. You can just let it run about 2 minutes or so and then shut it off and put it over. The August is running. But once the zero's done, then we know we can get rid of it. Yeah, you can shut it off. It's just liquid, it should pump right out. But when you're taking the old product out, it's better to leave it running. That way it'll help push it out. So this is just water stamp, so it should come right out.